Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the clicker sound on the Dogo application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the icon at the top of the screen next to your dog's name. As you can see, there is this clicker icon, so if you want to make this sound to your dog, all you have to do is tapping on this button in the middle of the screen, thereby making this sound. If you want to select from the clicker sounds, just tap on these clicker sound button in the upper right corner of the screen. As you can see, there are 5 sounds that you can choose from, and you can also add the flashlight. So if you select the one that you would like, just tap on the button done, and this function has been updated on the Dogo application. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.